Now, economics of metal machining. Now, W. Gilbert used Taylor's tool life equation. V to the power n is equal to constant, or T is equal to C by V to the power 1 upon n. Now please draw this figure. Okay. Then this is the turning length. The length you have to turn, L millimeter, diameter of the job, D millimeter, RPM is N, cutting speed V is equal to pi dn by 1000 meter per minute, feet is equal to S millimeter per revolution, T is equal to tool life in minutes. So I will go on thus rolling. Please note down. No? It is self-explanatory and you can understand. Machining time TM. Unit production time. Unit cost. Tool changing time into K1 plus tool regrinding time per piece into K2. Now this K1 is this, and K2 is this. Now let us use this Ti for ideal time, TTC for tool changing time, TRG for regrinding time, tool regrinding time. Then this is the cost per unit. This N, you replace N by this. So L K1 S into N. Pi dn by 1000 is equal to V. So N will come in terms of V. Okay. This is the regrinding part. Okay. This is the tool changing part. The cost per unit production, actually. Cost per unit means unit production. So this one, just a simplification. V to the power 1 by n minus 1. Okay. To optimize cost per unit, that is the minimization cost. Minimizing the cost per unit production. We have now the calculus comes into the picture. Differentiate with respect to cost. It will be minimum, so it will be equal to 0. This part I am not going to tell you. This is just a differentiation. Okay. 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 Then V by C to the power 1 by n. Actually, this is 1 by T. It is equation number 1. So this V is the V minimum, because equal to 0, that V has come. So V minimum is equal to, okay, is equal to, okay, this is number 2 equation. For maximum production, the regrinding should not be there. So time for regrinding is considered to be 0. So Vmax, you just put here, it is 0. So Vmax is equal to this. Now this equation number 3. Vmax, of course, will be greater than Vmin. For T optimum, we make use of equation 1. This equation, okay, this is 1 by T. This equation, this is 1 by T optimum, okay. So T optimum will be equal to this one. Of course, this is for V minimum, the optimum time. This is number 4 equation. Please draw the graph. This is the cost versus the velocity. V minimum is here. Here it is a cost. Okay, COST. Okay, this is the V min point. Vmax greater than V min, so Vmax will come after V min. It's a Vmax for profit, this one. Cost minimization means profit maximization. So this is the V point, this is the production. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1 is, which one is 1? This is the fixed cost. 2, variable cost. 3, tool changing cost. 4, tool regrinding cost. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the total cost. Okay, let us do a problem. This problem number 15 in my note. This is 15. You can make your own problem number 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you've got. So this is problem number 15 of my book, of my notebook, of my notes. Determine cutting speed for minimum cost if the following conditions pertain to this operation. What is the minimum? Tool cost, tool regrinds, tool grinding time, tool changing 2 minutes, tool grinding 3 minutes, lathe operator rate rupees 3. Now this is a old one, it may be 100 rupees per or 200 rupees per hour. Grinding rate rupees 20 per hour. Overhead rupees 6 per hour. Load and unload time, loading and unloading time actually 2 minutes. Taylor tool life equation is V t to the power 0.1 n is given and C is also given 200. V here this is given for 200 given V in feet per minute, and you can convert into meter per minute, no problem. So solution, these are the data given. Now n, this C is equal to 200, this C for feet per minute V. K1 lead operator's rate plus overhead 3 plus 6 9 per hour, and K2 is equal to rupees 20 per hour. It is 15, this is 9 per rupees 9 per hour means 15 paisa per minute, and this is 20 per hour means 33.33 paisa per minute. Nowadays it may not be in paisa, it will be in rupees, no problem, rupees per minute. Now this is the formula for V min. Okay, just for put in the formula and nothing else. So V mean is equal to 129.3 feet per minute. Okay. Now this is another topic in the same line. Tool depreciation. We have not considered earlier the tool depreciation cost. Tool depreciation cost per unit of production. Draw the figure. Okay. From here, x is equal to W tan alpha. This is x. This is D. This is L. So T mean is equal to S L by Sn. L pi D by 1000 S into V. Number of regrinds A by P. Total number of tool life 1 plus A by P. Total tool life 1 plus A by P into T. Cost of a new tool N. Total depreciation cost per tool life N by 1 plus 1 by A by P. Tool depreciation cost per unit is equal to tool changes per piece into tool depreciation cost per tool life. Now machining time. Machining time by T into this one. That one is this one. Okay, tool depreciation cost. So that will be equal to L pi D by 1000 into S into V. This is the machining time by T is equal to N by 1 plus A by P. In problem 15, A by P is equal to 20 is given. So this is this one. Now let us take F is equal to this one, because we have to, this is the, we have to differentiate, no, df by dv. So this one, okay. So adding this to the previous one, we get the total d dv into cost per unit. This plus this plus this one is not, right now we have done it for depreciation cost. So we are adding this to the previous one and differentiating the total cost per unit. So this is K1 by V square. K1 will be equal to, from that the result of the differentiation, K1 is equal to, in terms of K2 and all. So V minimum per considering cost consideration is equal to C K1 by this to the power n. Okay. So considering tool depreciation cost, the complete solution of the problem 15, A by P is 20, it is given. So V minimum is equal to C. Here A by P term will come, so we put it 20. So this is there. Okay. So this is 124.58 feet per minute. Now let us go for wear criteria. Optimum wear criterion. Optimum wear means wear for which the total service life of the tool will be the longest. Full stop. Total service life is equal to 1 plus number of grinds into T. Into T. 1 plus number of regrinds into T, where T is the tool life corresponding to the wear criterion we are chosen. Now flank wear is earlier we have done, but this is just a previously we have done but not details. Here it is details criteria, and this is the W flank, this is the optimum. This total service life in this, where this is total service life, this is W. Okay, W is of flank wear. T is equal to W tan alpha by cos gamma from here. You just draw this figure very nicely. Okay. Total service life is equal to 1 plus A by P into T. From that formula is equal to 1 plus 2/3 B by P into T. Area is equal to 2/3 B. 1 plus 2/3 B into cos alpha by W tan alpha into T. This is the okay. This is the optimum WC. This is for the crater wear. This is for the crater wear. WC here optimum. This is total service life. Now here the crater wear. WC is the crater wear. Okay. WC is the crater wear. Now number of regrind is equal to A by WC is 2/3 D by WC is equal to 2/3 D by 3 WC. So total service life will be equal to 1 plus 2/3 D by WC into T. Thank you.